finally getting around to unboxing this.
First thing, I have to remove it from the shipping box that it was delivered in. I actually got this Cricut as a Christmas gift, but around Christmas time, I also got the flu and had a knee injury. So this is the first time I'm actually even taking it out of the shipping box. And there she is, my very first Cricut. I've never owned one, and I have no idea how to even begin to do anything with one, but I'm very excited to learn about all of the things that I can do with this machine. I loved this little motivation on the box top that said, "You are born to create." And honey, I am ready to start creating. First thing inside is a little Let's Get Started booklet and a small piece of vinyl. So once I get everything out of the box, I will take some time to thoroughly go through the little booklet. Then there was another pack with, it looks like a cutting grid or a 12 by 12 sheet of vinyl. Again, I haven't taken it completely out of the packaging yet, but I'm just trying to see what all is in the box right now. There was also 2 separate cords inside the box. I'll have to look at those and see what they're for, and that was everything inside the box. Now to remove Little Miss Cricut from all of her plastic covering. I began to struggle a little with this part, so decided to get my trusty handy dandy knife to assist. It's pretty clear I have no idea what I'm doing, but I finally got it to open up and see what it looked like on the inside. I was afraid to touch anything on the inside because I wasn't sure what was okay to touch. But now I'm going to go read the manual and try to get ready to get started creating something on this wonderful new gift that I got for Christmas this year. Thank you so much for watching. Have an amazing day.